Ego Misting Fan. Stay cool anywhere, anytime. Looking for a smart way to beat the heat? The Ego Misting Fan might just be your new favorite outdoor companion. What sets it apart? First, it's not just a fan. It blows a fine water mist that can cool an area up to 50 square meters. Perfect for backyards, country houses, patios, or even bustling outdoor cafes. Second, it's built to last. On a single charge, this fan can run for up to 60 hours. That's nearly 3 days of continuous cooling without needing a recharge. So whether you're hosting a weekend barbecue or just relaxing under the sun, this fan has your back. Third, it's quiet. Operating at just 42 decibels, it's no louder than a standard refrigerator. That means you get powerful airflow without the noise, making it great for peaceful environments or conversations. The Ego Misting Fan is also wireless, and the brand claims it's the most powerful cordless model available, pushing airflow at up to 32 kilometers per hour. That's enough breeze to truly cool down a hot summer day. Plus, it's built for convenience. With wheels and a sturdy handle, you can roll it along easily to the garden, the beach, a party, or wherever comfort is needed. Whether you're after portable cooling power or just want to upgrade your summer setup, the Ego Misting Fan delivers. It's durable, quiet, mobile, and refreshingly efficient, making outdoor life a whole lot cooler. Self-Eco Pots. Plant, grow, and let nature take over. Every year, millions of traditional petroleum-based plant pots end up in landfills, creating long-term waste that harms the environment. Self-Eco Pots offer a smarter, greener alternative. These biodegradable pots are made from sustainable materials like coffee chaff, worm castings, and other organic waste. That means once they've done their job, nature takes over. No landfill, no mess, and no need for disposal. After planting, the pots maintain their shape and structure for up to 6 months, giving your seedlings the perfect environment to grow. And because they naturally enrich the soil as they decompose, there's no need for additional fertilizer. Just regular watering is enough to support healthy root development. Self-Eco Pots aren't just good for your plants, they're good for the planet. They reduce waste, lower your carbon footprint, and eliminate the need for plastic containers that linger in the environment for decades. Their effectiveness has been backed by research from Iowa State University of Science and Technology, confirming that these eco-friendly pots don't just work, they thrive. Whether you're a gardening hobbyist, a professional grower, or simply looking to make your plant care routine more sustainable, Self-Eco Pots are a great place to start. And the best part? You can try them out without breaking the bank. A starter pack of 2 pots costs just $15, making this a small, eco-conscious investment that can make a big impact. Go green from the roots up. With Self-Eco Pots, you're planting the future, one pot at a time. BG Mousquetaire, a smarter, safer way to get rid of mosquitoes. If you can't stand mosquitoes, you're not alone. In fact, there's one place that's completely free of them: Iceland. Thanks to its unique climate, soil, and water composition, mosquitoes simply don't survive there. But for the rest of us, we have to fight them off. That's where the BG Mousquetaire comes in, a smart, non-toxic mosquito control solution backed by science. This device works by mimicking 2 things mosquitoes are naturally drawn to: the carbon dioxide in our breath and the scent of human skin. It lures them in with realistic cues, then traps them, helping you enjoy your space mosquito-free. It covers an area of up to 600 square meters, about the size of a tennis court, making it perfect for gardens, patios, or outdoor events. And the best part? It's chemical-free and safe for people, pets, and the environment. For best results, place it in shaded bushes or corners, away from direct wind. That ensures mosquitoes follow the scent trail straight into the trap. No sprays, no zappers, no harmful residue. The price? Just $200, a small investment for peace of mind and bite-free evenings outdoors. So if you're tired of itching, swatting, and spraying, BG Mousquetaire might just be your new favorite summer essential. Gardena ZoomMax, smart irrigation for smarter gardens. Germany's agricultural industry is among the most advanced in Europe, and that innovation extends right into backyard gardening. One perfect example? The Gardena ZoomMax sprinkler. At first glance, it looks like a standard garden sprinkler, but it's actually part of a cutting-edge smart irrigation system that blends technology with simplicity. Designed specifically for square and rectangular areas of up to 140 square meters, the Zoom Max offers infinitely adjustable watering settings to ensure every plant gets just the right amount of water. No more, no less. It features multiple unit connectivity, so you can expand coverage easily across larger lawns or garden zones. A removable filter keeps the system clean and efficient, while its sturdy build ensures reliable performance season after season. What really sets it apart is the built-in smart control. With just your smartphone, you can remotely manage watering schedules, adjust flow settings, and even access a plant library to better understand your garden's unique needs from anywhere in the world. Whether you're traveling or just want to sleep in on watering day, ZoomMax gives you full control over your garden's hydration. It's automation that saves time, water, and effort, all while helping your plants thrive. As Germany continues to lead with smart agricultural solutions, Gardena brings that same efficiency and precision to your home garden. If you want to simplify your routine while giving your plants exactly what they need, Gardena ZoomMax is the upgrade your garden has been waiting for. Bypass Tree Lopper, precision tree trimming from the ground up. Need to trim tall branches without dragging out a ladder? Germany delivers again, this time with a smart, high-reach solution, the Bypass Tree Lopper. Engineered for both professionals and home gardeners, this tool lets you reach branches up to 5.5 meters high, all while staying safely on the ground. No climbing, no wobbling, just clean, controlled cuts from below. Its cutting angle adjusts up to 225 degrees, allowing you to approach awkward branches from multiple angles with ease. And thanks to the advanced bypass cutting head, you can slice through branches up to 32 millimeters in diameter, all without damaging nearby limbs or overgrowth. Visibility is another win. The lopper's vivid body color makes it easy to spot even in dense canopies. And despite its reach, the tool weighs only 3 kilograms, making it light enough to handle for long trimming sessions. For added comfort, it comes equipped with a non-slip handle, perfect for hot summer days when sweaty hands could mean slips or missed cuts. The design ensures a firm, stable grip, keeping both your hands and your cuts precise. At $273, it may seem like a big spend, but consider this: you're getting top-tier German engineering with a 10-year warranty. That's a decade of reliable pruning without replacements or repairs. If you value safety, precision, and efficiency, and want to handle tall branches with ease, the Bypass Tree Lopper might just be your ultimate gardening upgrade. Wire Titner Drahtspanner, the small tool that handles big jobs. When you're managing large plots of land, whether it's a family farm, vineyard, or even a backyard garden, the right tools can make all the difference. One such unsung hero is the Wire Tightener, also known in German as the Drahtspanner. This tool is designed to keep things secure, straight, and strong. Whether you're installing fences, setting up a trellis system for grapevines, or marking off property lines, a wire tightener ensures the tension is just right. That means fewer sagging lines, stronger support structures, and better overall durability. Constructed from a classic combination of aluminum and steel, these tighteners are lightweight yet rugged. Despite their simplicity, they can handle wire diameters up to 4 millimeters, making them versatile enough for various agricultural and gardening applications. What makes them even more appealing? The price. You can find reliable models for as little as $4. Affordable? Yes, but that doesn't mean they compromise on function. These tools are built to last and are manufactured globally, with models coming from Europe, New Zealand, and beyond. Imagine the scale. The European Union has over 9 million farms. Multiply that by the kilometers of fencing and wirework involved, and you'll see why tools like this are essential. They may not grab headlines, but they quietly keep farms, gardens, and vineyards running smoothly. For professionals and hobbyists alike, the wire tightener is a must-have. It's a small investment for a tool that delivers consistent, reliable results, day in and day out. So if you're looking to save time, reduce hassle, and keep your setups tidy and tensioned, the Wire Tightener Drahtspanner is the tool to trust. Makita DCU604 18-volt LXT, The electric wheelbarrow that works like a pickup. Makita, the legendary Japanese construction brand, has been innovating for over a century. Now it's bringing that engineering power to your backyard. Meet the Makita DCU604 18-volt LXT, a next-generation electric wheelbarrow that functions more like a mini pickup truck. This isn't just a garden helper, it's a heavy-duty work machine capable of carrying loads up to 300 kilograms in one trip. Whether you're hauling soil, gravel, or construction debris, this machine does the heavy lifting for you. It's powered by four 18-volt batteries and offers 4 speed settings, allowing you to adjust based on terrain or load weight. It can reach speeds of up to 5 kilometers per hour and run continuously for around 100 minutes. Weighing in at 112 kilograms, the DCU604 also features built-in headlights, a tail light, and a warning beeper, making it safe and functional even in low-light conditions. A smart power regulator keeps the speed steady, no matter the weight you're hauling. And when the batteries run low, a protection system kicks in to automatically cut the power, preventing any damage to the motor. With rugged performance and thoughtful design, this electric wheelbarrow is perfect for construction sites, farms, or large garden projects. But innovation comes at a price. The Makita DCU604 retails for around $5,600, making it an investment for serious users who demand power, safety, and reliability in one machine. A clean, humane way to eliminate gophers and moles. Tired of finding your lawn torn up by gophers or moles? Say goodbye to digging, poison, and complicated setups. Meet Gopher Hawk, a fast, humane, and simple way to reclaim your yard. This smart tool eliminates pests right at the source, without the need for a shovel. All you need is the included probe to find the entrance of a burrow. These are usually located 15 to 25 centimeters away from those distinct dirt mounds in your yard. Once the tunnel is located, insert the Gopher Hawk trap stake into the soil. It's equipped with a built-in trap mechanism that's activated immediately upon setup. A yellow indicator confirms the trap is armed and ready. What makes Gopher Hawk truly effective is its 360-degree design. It doesn't matter which direction the gopher or mole enters from. The trap activates instantly, offering no chance for escape. It's a humane solution too. No chemicals, no poisons, and no risk to kids, pets, or your soil. Just effective, clean pest control that gets the job done right. Once a pest is caught, simply remove the trap and reset it if needed. The system is reusable, making it perfect for ongoing yard maintenance. Trusted by both homeowners and pest control professionals, the Gopher Hawk has become a top choice for anyone dealing with underground pests. Best of all, it's affordable. At just $39, it's a small investment for a big improvement in your outdoor space. If you want a stress-free way to deal with gophers and moles without damaging your lawn, Gopher Hawk is the tool you've been waiting for. Yarbo, the all-season smart garden robot that does it all. At CES 2023, one innovation stood out from the usual lineup of smartphones and laptops. Yarbo, a smart, all-in-one garden robot built to handle your yard work year-round. Unlike traditional outdoor tools, Yarbo is modular and multifunctional. It's designed to mow your lawn, blow away leaves, and even remove snow, all with one compact system that adapts to your needs throughout the seasons. In the warmer months, Yarbo takes care of mowing. You can easily adjust the cutting height and width to suit your lawn's layout. When winter hits, it transforms into a powerful snowblower, capable of throwing snow up to 12 meters away. And in the fall, Yarbo becomes a high-speed leaf blower, pushing air at an incredible 192 kilometers per hour. That's the power of a Category 3 hurricane. On a full charge, Yarbo delivers impressive battery life. Up to 2 hours for mowing, 90 minutes for snow removal, and 50 minutes for clearing leaves and debris. Using Yarbo is as simple as drawing your yard's boundaries on the companion smartphone app. The robot then maps out the most efficient route and gets to work, fully autonomously, with no manual guidance needed. As for cost, pricing depends on which modules you choose. A popular combo, featuring both the lawnmower and leaf blower, is priced at around $3,400. Whether it's spring, summer, fall, or winter, Yarbo is built to save you time, effort, and energy. It's smart, efficient, and ready to work in any season. The neutral FreedomX is a multi-position ergonomic chair built to match your lifestyle, whether you're working, relaxing, or doing both. It's designed to support active sitting, which helps reduce spinal pressure and improve blood circulation, so you stay more comfortable, more focused, and more energized throughout the day. What sets it apart? Fully adjustable armrests that make it easy to sit in a variety of positions, including cross-legged or even using the backrest as a chest rest. It adapts to how you want to sit. Need a workspace on the fly? It comes with a fold-down laptop tray featuring 3 adjustable angles, plus dual cup holders, perfect for coffee-fueled mornings or movie nights. The chair is built with pet-friendly, scratch-resistant fabric, so it stays looking great, even in homes with furry friends. It also features sturdy, silent wheels for smooth, quiet movement across any floor. Whether you're in work mode or wind-down mode, the FreedomX combines comfort, flexibility, and durability in one sleek package. It's backed by a successful crowdfunding campaign, showing strong support from users who wanted something smarter in their seating. For modern lifestyles that blur the line between work and play, the neutral FreedomX offers a truly versatile seating solution. Sit your way, work your way, live your way with the FreedomX.